God loves you. Every one of you, he loves you. He sent his son to die so that you might have life and you could really have it to the full. But fullness does not come with mental intellect. Fullness does not come with the knowledge of this world. Fullness comes with the feeling and indwelling of God's Spirit. He wants to live with you. Many of you have gone through the ritual of coming to church, but you have not experienced church on the inside. I want this to be noticed. It's a new day. Let me explain how it works.